Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new 2025 Opel Insignia, a car that's turning heads with its sleek design, advanced tech, and impressive performance. If you're in the market for a stylish yet practical sedan with a touch of European refinement, this is a car you won't want to miss. Stick around as we take you through every inch of the 2025 Insignia, from its striking looks to what's hiding under the hood. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Let's jump right in. Exterior. Let's talk about the front of the 2025 Opel Insignia, where the first impression truly sets the tone. The front grille has been completely reimagined, featuring a more streamlined design with Opel's signature visor grille, seamlessly integrating into the LED matrix headlights. These headlights are not just for show, they adapt to oncoming traffic, ensuring maximum visibility without dazzling other drivers. The bold Opel logo sits proudly in the center, flanked by a blacked-out grille pattern that gives it a premium yet sporty look. The sculpted hood adds to the aggressive appeal, hinting at the power beneath. Lower down, you'll notice the refined air intakes, designed not just for aesthetics but to enhance aerodynamics and improve cooling efficiency. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Opel Insignia carries a sleek and elongated silhouette, giving it a coupe-like appearance despite being a sedan. The gently sloping roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, enhancing its aerodynamic efficiency. Opel has refined the bodywork to reduce drag, making the Insignia more fuel-efficient and stable at higher speeds. The car sits on newly designed 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels, available in various finishes to match your style. The side mirrors now feature integrated turn signals, and the subtle chrome accents along the window trim add a premium touch. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the door handles, which now sit flush with the body, enhancing both aerodynamics and aesthetics. The overall stance of the car exudes confidence and sportiness, making it an absolute head-turner on the road. Now let's check out the rear. The 2025 Opel Insignia boasts a modernized rear design that combines sophistication with sportiness. The LED taillights feature a distinctive light signature that stretches across the width of the trunk, giving it a wider and more imposing stance. The Opel badge doubles as the trunk release, keeping the rear clean and minimalistic. The subtle lip spoiler adds a touch of aggressiveness without overdoing it. One of the biggest changes is the rear bumper designator, integrating dual exhaust outlets with the sporty diffuser, not just for looks but also to enhance performance and airflow. Opel has truly focused on making the Insignia's rear both functional and aesthetically pleasing, a perfect blend of elegance and sportiness. Interior. Step inside the 2025 Opel Insignia, and you're greeted with a cabin that's both futuristic and driver-focused. The first thing you'll notice is the massive curved digital display, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a seamless panel. The user interface is more intuitive than ever, featuring a new operating system that supports over-the-air updates. The steering wheel has been redesigned with a flat bottom shape, wrapped in premium leather with touch-sensitive controls for a more refined experience. The center console is clean and clutter-free, with a minimalist gear selector and a wireless charging pad integrated seamlessly. Opel has focused on using high-quality materials throughout the interior, with soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and aluminum accents that elevate the premium feel. The seats are ergonomically designed with enhanced lumbar support and are available with heating, cooling, and even massage functions. The rear passengers aren't left out either, with ample legroom, climate control vents, and USB-C charging ports to keep everyone comfortable on long journeys. Opel has also improved sound insulation, making the cabin whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Whether you're driving or being chauffeured, the Insignia's interior offers a top-tier experience. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Opel Insignia comes with multiple powertrain options, catering to a wide range of drivers. The base model is powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine, delivering a respectable balance of power and efficiency. For those craving more performance, Opel offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with up to 250 horsepower, paired with either front-wheel drive or an optional all-wheel drive system for better traction. For eco-conscious buyers, there's a plug-in hybrid variant that combines an electric motor with a gasoline engine, offering impressive fuel efficiency and the ability to drive short distances on pure electric power. Opel has also worked on refining the suspension, making the ride smoother while maintaining sharp handling. The adaptive dampers adjust in real time based on road conditions, giving you the best of both comfort and sportiness. The new Insignia is also equipped with an improved 9-speed automatic transmission, delivering seamless shifts and better fuel economy. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on twisty roads, the 2025 Insignia is designed to deliver an engaging driving experience. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Opel Insignia is positioned as a premium yet affordable option in its segment. The base model starts at around $35,000, offering a well-equipped package for buyers looking for value. The mid-range trim, with additional luxury features, is expected to be priced at approximately $40,000. If you're looking for the fully loaded, high-performance variant with all the bells and whistles, expect to pay close to $50,000. The plug-in hybrid version sits in the middle of the range, catering to buyers who want efficiency without sacrificing performance. Opel has ensured that each trim level offers a solid mix of technology, comfort, and driving pleasure, making the Insignia an attractive choice for a wide audience. So, is the 2025 Opel Insignia worth it? Absolutely. With its refined design, cutting-edge technology, and versatile powertrain options, it stands out as one of the best options in its class. Opel has done a fantastic job of blending style, performance, and practicality into a package that caters to modern drivers. Whether you're looking for an efficient daily driver, a stylish family car, or a sporty sedan with premium features, the Insignia has something to offer. If you've enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trendz TV for more exciting car content. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy the 2025 Opel Insignia? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.